This is quarter 2, week 7. Uh, second to the last na module before we end quarter 2. And what we have left for week 7, wala ng ESP and EP. So we have Filipino, MAPE, Math, MTB, and Science for SSES. Okay, ano ang laman? Let's begin with Filipino. So, Filipino using the Smile Learners Packet. So, may date siya, January 10 to 14. Ito ay tungkol sa nakasusunod ka sa napakinggang panuto na may 1 hanggang 2 hakbang or 1 to 2 steps directions. Next, number 2 na pagsusunod-sunod ang mga pangyayari sa napakinggang kwento sa tulong ng mga larawan at pamatnubay na tanong. So, there are 2 topics for this module. The first part is following directions, involving 1 to 2 step directions. Tapos sunod, may kwento na babasahin at pakikinggan ng bata at may mga tanong 1 to 5. Sunod naman, yung mga pangyayari doon sa kwentong binasa, so may larawan tayo dito, isusunod-sunod gamit ang titik ng A, B, C, D, or E. Ang A bilang unang pangyayari. At ang panghuli, refleksyon, huwag kalimutan itong bahagi na masagutan. So, kasali po ito sa module sa Filipino. Okay, next naman sa MAPE, para sa week 7 ay PE. Okay, ito ay tungkol naman sa locomotor at locomotor. So, na ipaliwanag ko anong pagkakaiba ng dalawa. So, ito ay may paksang executes locomotor skills while moving in different directions at different spatial levels. So, we identified the locomotor and non-locomotor, or in Filipino, locomotor at locomotor. And then this time, so we are going to focus more on locomotor skills. Yan, gagawin, tutukuyin, check kung locomotor at X naman kung hindi. At ang gawain 2, bibilugan ang titik ng tamang sagot. May pagpipilian na A, B, C, D para sa bawat item. Hanggang sa sunod na pahina. At ang panghuli, karagdagan. Ito naman reflection na kung saan may mga karagdagan pang input tama, additional info or paglalalim tungkol sa paksa para sa PE. Sa math naman, this is still about subtraction, but this time practice na to so that we can develop another technique of how we can subtract numbers. So yan, it's about subtracting mentally 1-digit numbers from 2-digit minuends without regrouping using appropriate strategies. So for this module, it involves strategies or techniques na pwedeng gawin para mas madali ang pag-subtract. Okay, so we have here task 1. So may may tinatawag na compensation strategy. I will discuss this further during the lesson video. Tapos, yan, bakit may tinatawag na friendly number. So, I will also discuss how and what happens when we use this technique. Okay, for task 2 naman, subtraction part strategy. So, may mga style siya para mag-subtract. So, followed by gibuhon mo 2. Don't forget to fill in all the blanks. And that's it for math. So, may dalawang technique ang i-discuss for math week 7. For MTB MLE, using the self-learning module, may pamagat na mga tawa sa samuyang komunidad. So, tungkol yan sa we tell a story, read. So, may mga importanteng parts sa storya. Dapat maaraman ang tauhan or the characters, pinangyarihan, or the setting. So, yan, gibbon 1, may babasaw na istorya. May babasaw na may dadangugo na istorya habang babasahon. Or if you can read it by yourself, then why not? Makaka-practice pa pagbasa. Followed by questions based on the story from the previous page. Tapos yan, may discussion. And then there is a style para maikwento mo by mentioning the characters, the setting, and also the important events. Tapos na paghihiwa-hiwalay o na susuway ang inot na pangyayari, tahaw na pangyayari, saka huring pangyayari. And then for gibuhon to naman, may story, but this time, may iba naman ang sasagutan. So, una, 1 to 5, arranging the events. Gibuhon 3, another story. And then there are questions. You need to answer them by encircling the letters. So that's it for MTB. And lastly, we have for science. Still, this is another module for about plants. So particularly changes in plants as they grow. So right, ito ang specific objectives. Compare changes in plants as they grow. Interpret observations of changes in plants as they grow. So, beginning with activities by writing, check if the statement is correct and X if not. Tapos, may sasagutan ng mga blanks by choosing the word in the box. Tapos, find and color the seeds, followed by analysis, may question, and then you need to use the blank in writing your answers. In page 2, continuation, tapos may conclusion dyan. So you just choose one, and followed by remember this or the discussion of the topic about growth of plants. And then followed by application, write yes if the statement is correct and no if not. And the last part is reflection. So draw and color on the board the plant you like to plant in your garden. So that's it for week 7. Kukonti na lang siya. And then we still have one set of modules remaining for week 8. Tapos, same na lang din. Ang natitira na lang din ay Filipino, MAPE Health, Math, MTB, and Science. So, siguraduhin matapos ito within this week so that on Monday, para Monday, this coming Monday, you are ready to submit the module, and at the same time, you are ready to pick the modules for week 8. So, para on time pa rin tayo. So, let's have it a Monday habit na mag-pick ng module and then submit ng module. And then the rest of the days from Tuesday until Saturday, try to answer at least one na module. Anyway, 5 na lang yan. So, kasyang-kasya yan. And then, siguradong matatapos yan. Para ang pag-submit din on time, pag-check on time, and then when I compute your grades for quarter 2. And for this week, starting tomorrow, we have Tuesday pala. For Tuesday until Friday, there will be an online assessment covering week 1 to 4. Tapos, pagkatapos ng week 8 naman, we will be having again an online assessment for week 5 to 8. So, kompleto para sa quarter 2. Okay, if there are questions, so just post a message via our GC. So that's it. We're done, and see you on the following lesson videos. Goodbye.